What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of Acer Swift X laptop, and we'll talk about its design, features, performance, hardware specs and all of its pros and cons as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. Swift X comes with a sliced metal body that is moderately lightweight at 1.4 kilograms and 18 mm thickness. The build quality is solid, the chassis is quite rigid, and overall build quality is quite durable. On both left and right hand sides we got some slots and ports. At the bottom we got a pair of ventilation grills along with some rubber strip that elevates the bottom of the device for better ventilation. We got two bottom-sided speakers which are slightly on the curved edges of the back panel, and the back of the device can easily be removed just by removing the screws on the back panel. There is one more ventilation grill provided right below the screen, but it is only on one side of the device. There is a notch provided right beneath the touchpad, but opening the lid of Swift X with one hand is impossible and you will have to use both hands to perform this task. The lid can be opened up to 135 degrees, and at full stretch, the hinge and screen mechanism lifts the device a bit above from the surface for better ventilation and also provides a better angle for typing. The metal strip all around the display of Swift X is quite eye-catching, looks beautiful and gives a very premium vibe to the device. Talking about the hardware specs, our unit came with the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor with integrated Radeon graphics along with NVIDIA GTX 1650 dedicated GPU. We got 16GB DDR4 RAM and 1TB SSD storage. The overall performance of the device is pretty solid considering its hardware specs. You won't feel any kind of lag or issues in your daily usage, and because of the GTX 1650 GPU you will be able to do some basic video editing work and play some games on respectable FPS as well. In our benchmarking test, the performance of Acer Swift X was quite impressive and it achieved very nice scores considering the hardware and its price segment. Swift X comes with air inlet keyboard that contributes in reducing the heat up to 10% to maximize cooling on the device, and it also comes with multiple cooling modes and you can quickly switch between them to get the desired performance out of the device. The device is very silent even under the high load condition and it rarely heats up because of the nice cooling mechanism. Talking about the display, we got a 14-inch Full HD resolution IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate with 86% screen to body ratio, 300 nits brightness and 100% of sRGB color gamut coverage. So the display quality is quite nice. The colors are punchy, the viewing angles are great, the matte finish display of Swift X does not cause any glare issue, and the brightness is good enough to use the device in outdoors. The display of Swift X also does not come with any kind of pulse width modulation or the screen flickering issue, and overall the viewing experience on Swift X is quite pleasing, and because of the 100% sRGB color gamut coverage you can use it for video editing and color grading as well. We got a single illumination level backlit keyboard on Swift X. The white backlight on the keyboard causes a bit of difficulty in recognizing the keys if there is slight ambient light while we are working on the Swift X. So keys are big enough and the key travel is quite nice to provide a nice tapping experience, but we got plenty of space unused on both sides of the keyboard. So the keys could be a bit bigger if that space was used. The touchpad is good enough, it's smooth, and the surface area of the touchpad is good enough to provide a nice user experience. Swift X also comes with a fingerprint sensor that is very fast, accurate and performs perfectly every single time. Talking about the battery life, Swift X comes with 59 Wh battery that provides more than 10 hours of battery life easily on mixed moderate usage. And when the battery goes down you can quickly charge it as it comes with fast charging support, and along with the dedicated charging port you can also use the USB Type-C port for charging the device. Talking about the connectivity, Acer Swift X comes with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port that you can use for data transfer, connect external display and for charging purpose as well. And then we got an HDMI port, a USB Type-A port with offline charging feature, a Kensington lock slot, another USB Type-A slot and a combo microphone plus 3.5mm jack. And it also comes with dual band Wi-Fi 6. So when it comes to connectivity, Acer Swift X provides lots of options that you can use for connectivity purposes. It comes with DTS audio powered bottom-sided speakers which are loud enough for multimedia content consumption or video conferencing, etc. Because of the placement of the speakers on the curved edges, the audio output of Acer Swift X speakers are a bit louder compared to the speakers of other laptops with same category and wattage. You can use the DTS audio software to customize your listening experience on Swift X based on the activity you are doing and the content you are consuming. We got a 720p HD camera along with multiple microphones for video conferencing purpose, and the performance is quite impressive as the Swift X comes with Acer's True Harmony and Purified Voice AI noise reduction feature, and this technology also works with external microphones and headphones. On software side, the device runs on Windows 11 and comes with lots of bloatwares like multiple app stores, games, video editors, etc. and you will have to go through the uninstallation process if you do not want to use them. Overall, Acer Swift X is a pretty solid laptop, especially considering its price segment, as it comes with nice build quality, a beautiful design, great battery life, impressive overall performance, dedicated GPU, good amount of slots and ports, and a nice display with good color accuracy. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.